Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. And once again, welcome to the Lamborghini Day UK here at Silverstone circuit. I believe that there is no better way to celebrate our 60th anniversary with the largest gathering of Lamborghini cars ever, with 382 cars on the circuit. So I want really to thank all of you for being here with us today and being part to this event. And today we are also about to unveil for the first time in the UK the new Lamborghini Revuelto, the first hybrid vehicle in our history. So therefore I'm asking you 10 minutes of attention to be ready for the unveiling of the car. But for this I'm leaving the stage to our chairman and CEO, Mr. Stefan Winkelmann.
So welcome again. It's really incredible to see all of you around this stage. You know that celebrating the 60th anniversary for us is important, but it's even more to celebrate what a Lamborghini is all about. No, it's design and performance if you want to reduce it to a minimum. So this is our heritage, and we decided to put again a luxury aspirated V12 engine into this car. But before I speak about the car and about Lamborghini, give me 1 minute to speak about the state of the art. So we are in the best shape ever in the history of Lamborghini, which is very important for us, because we entered this year with a record year in every sense in the year 2022. In terms of deliveries to you, more than 9,000 for the first time. Also the turnover was incredible, another record. And most important of all, the operative result. For us, the result is important because we are reinvesting big time into the future of this company. Very important because from now on, the things are changing. We have our strategy, a clear strategy, which is called Direzione Portauri, which is first to hybridize all of our lineup until the end of 2024, and then to get also into electrification in the last years of this decade. And to do this, we need a lot of money, no? Alone for the next step until 2028, we need to invest 2.5 billion of euros. It was the biggest investment ever in the history of Lamborghini, but we are very well prepared. And when we speak about the Lamborghini Revuelto, we are speaking about something which is a perfect mix of what we are doing best. So big engines with a lot of power and also smooth in every situation, and on top of that, lightweight materials. And the blend between this world which we are doing best and electrification, and even more in the future, digitalization, this is what the Revuelto is all about. And now before we do the unveiling of the car, please have a video, look at this video, sorry. Revuelto is the name of a fighting bull, which is in the best tradition of Lamborghini. Always name the cars after fighting bulls. It has to sound well. Revuelto has a good sound. It has to have a story. So this is a fighting bull who fought in the arena of Barcelona in 1880 and was a fierce bull. And last but not least, it also has to have a good translation. And here the Revuelto is like mixed up, and it means the blend of the two things which I was talking about before. So the engine and the electrification. But now I leave the stage to our Chief Technical Officer, Ruben Moore, who is going to get more into detail. Okay,
Thanks a lot. I will not, let me say, annoy you with too many details, but let me at least explain you what you can expect from the car. Because at the end of the day, it's really an outstanding car. First of all, you can expect performance, more performance, because we like, you like much more performance, and the car is able to deliver even more emotions. Because for sure, if you hear a hybrid, then there could be some doubts, but this electrification thing we don't want. I can tell you, even the sound characteristic is much better than in every Lamborghini before. Then you can have also for the first time a very smooth driving experience and also very sharp handling behavior. The typical Lamborghini drama you have in this car, so you have really the best of both worlds. With the best reactiveness, best in class, because we are the only one that are combining a naturally aspirated high-graphic engine with 3 electric motors. Let's take a look at the architecture.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. Thank you.
It's the best V12 we ever put in a street-legal Lamborghini. Most power, 825 CV. Most specific power, 127 CV per liter, and also very important for the emotions, the maximum rev limit of 9,500 revs. And I can promise you, the speed up revving is absolutely unbelievable. If you go to the red line, it's an absolutely thrill, not comparable to the predecessor. Then we have a double clutch gearbox. But you don't have to be worried, it's not a smooth thing. So also here you have drama mode. You have feel really the shifting behaviors, and we have an electric motor incorporated. This electric motor is able to boost, and we have 4-wheel drive also in the electric case. So it's not a front-wheel driven car if you drive full electric. Battery in the tunnel, good for the weight distribution. An entirely new carbon fiber monocoque, this time also with the front end out of carbon fiber, so less weight, more stiffness, more driving precision, sharper handling. Front axle is done by 2 independent electric motors. Axial flux machines means higher power density, and this is good for